In this short little guide, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account a pro account and then explain why you want to do that. All right, how you do this is go to your main page, top right hand corner, press the three buttons, press manage my account. And at the bottom, you get to see switch to pro account. Press that. You get this. It says get a pro account, get analytics. Sweet. Press it, then choose what category you are. For this one, I'm a public figure. I press it and then go to next. All right, now I'm going to get a code. It's going to get sent to my email, and I had to type that in. All right, after you do that, your account is now pro. You can look at your analytics for the last 7 days and 28 days. You can analyze to see when's the best time to post, which is usually about 2 hours before your prime time of posting. And you can also see what your other viewers have watched. And you can make a trend from that and make your channel grow because you're making something they want to see. And then the last thing is you can see what ratio of females to males who follow you, like a versus percentage. Pretty cool tool. Use it because I use it and it helped my channel out. Well, without further ado, this is FinalHarps, and keep on TikToking. Have a good day.